gold. Well, this is what happens when you miss the bus and you miss the ferry. You take a taxi instead, and this is Janne, my designated taxi driver for the day. I'm on my way out to the Koster Islands, and right now we're in the middle of the Koster Sea, which is Sweden's first marine national park. This is an absolute must when you get to this area. It is stunningly beautiful.
The Koster Islands are made up of North and South Koster. Here, you'll find small fishing villages surrounded by an amazingly dazzling landscape. Most of North and South Koster is a nature reserve, and the flora and fauna is protected.
Hey, how you doing?
Welcome
Thank you very much.
to Koster Island.
Thank you very much. It's lovely to be here.
Stefan is not only a tourist guide on the island, but he also runs Koster Gardens together with his wife, Helena. They both used to work at the university, but decided to leave all that behind. Now, they pursue their dream of running a restaurant and a garden.
It's a different universe when you walk in here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a nice place.
It's more than nice. It's absolutely stunning. It's fantastic. So where do we start?
Koster Gardens is all about organic gardening and permaculture, where the ingredients come straight from the garden into the restaurant and on your plate.
Well, obviously, I mean, walking around here, it's quite easy to understand that you know gardening. So in that sense, what is the most important thing to you when it comes to this?
To have good vegetables, you have to build soil. This is a bed we have built just by compost. You can see this soil here. It's just organic leftovers from the garden, weeds and seaweed from the sea. There's some seaweed leftovers.
You're really squeezing it, aren't you?
Yeah, this is my passion. This is why I work here, because I love the soil.
But is that how you tell, by touching it?
Yeah, I can tell by touching it. Also that it's dark. Dark is a sign of good organic matter.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes you can smell it. And you could even taste it. I think it's okay to eat soil, and they do in some cultures. We don't do it, I promise.
Are you sure?
No.
See if we can find something to pick.
Yeah, we could pick some beans. Yellow ones.
Oh yeah,
purple ones. A lot of purple ones.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, my beetroots are just about done. And when you're in a beautiful garden like this, it has to be a garden dish. So I've got something really spectacular lined up here. I've got these beautiful beans, I've got beetroots, got some lovely herbs from here, sage, calendula to garnish with, and some fennel. Now, I want this to be something to remember, as always. So I'm going to make a really nice, rich cream out of cheese. It's called Wrångebäck, and it's one of those creamy, nice, rich, hard cheeses that you can get. And I'm just going to use a bit of hot milk, grate this into it, and blitz it. It's going to be nice, soft cream. And with that, you need some flavors to go on top of that. I don't want it to become too fatty, so I've got some beautiful raspberries here. And of course, we need texture. So I've got some toasted hazelnuts here. And on top of that, we're going to pack it with a little bit of spice. These are mustard flowers, and they add a little bit of bite to the dish. So hopefully, this will be something... Oh, my dear doggy. Are you hungry? He's eager as well, or she's eager as well. I think my beetroots are done. And the easiest way to get rid of the peel is to take them out of the boiling water and just sink them into cold water and leave them there for a little while. So that's what I'll do. Allow them to cool down a little bit. Now you can see already, I can just use my fingers and just apply a little bit of pressure and all of the peel comes off like that. And have a look at the color of that. It's like holding a piece of sunshine in your hand, isn't it? Anyway, that's done, and I need to start with my cheese. So for that, I need to bring a little bit of milk to the boil, about 1 deciliter. There we go, that'll be good. And the cheese, I'm just going to grate the cheese. This is a lovely mature cheese. Don't want to waste any of this. This is gold. That's a lovely cheese, lovely. It's nice and creamy already, but of course I need to make that into a cream. So the milk is getting warm here. Now I'm going to take my cheese and just pop it in here. And then bring out your mixer and just mix that into a nice, smooth cream. It's only in a couple of seconds, it's been transformed into this. Silky smooth, shiny. It's incredibly good. I'm going to start with the sage and a bit of oil and some salt. So now the sage is starting to crisp up. That's when I add my beans. All of them at once. Get them in there. Just give these a couple of seconds, and then I'm going to add the hazelnuts. About a handful. Adding a bit of this fennel works so well with all of these vegetables. That gentle licoricey flavor there. That does all the difference. Delicious. And I want them nice and crisp, so after about 2 minutes in the pan, it's time to get them out of there. We're basically done already. All I have to do now is marinate these. My autumn raspberries. Adding a little bit more acidity to it makes it turn into almost a pickle-like sort of sensation when you eat it. So these are just going to be tossed around like this in a bit of nice vinegar. I'll leave them for about a minute or two, and they're done. It's as simple as that sometimes. There it is.
Wow.
Your garden on a plate.
Beautiful, and this is like, it's the whole summer concentrated.
Yeah.
Fantastic, wow.
Yeah.
Just take some.
Just grab whatever. Dig in. Get some of that cheese cream and raspberries.
Great. So many different tastes. And thank you for cooking this fantastic dish here.
That's absolutely my pleasure.